Alright, good morning. This video I'm going to be working on the hood and the grill. Last video we removed the front end, but in this one I'm going to be actually further disassembling the grill, taking the headlight assemblies out, cleaning it up, getting it down to metal, and getting it ready for paint. But mainly the focus is just to get it cleaned up and set off to the side for later on. I'm kind of waiting for the next step, which is going to be engine removal. I think that's the plan, but I'm trying to get a hold of a engine hoist because I don't want to go buy one because I'm on a tight budget for this build, and it doesn't make sense to go spend hundreds of dollars for a cherry picker to pull a motor out if I'm only going to use it once. Well, I guess twice technically, because I gotta use it to put it back in. But I'm working on some folks that I think can that live nearby that I might be able to borrow one from. So while I'm doing that, though, waiting for that to work out, I'm just gonna get the hood and the grill kind of cleaned up and primed and set off to the side, and hopefully soon in the next video or the video after that I'll be taking the engine out. This is garbage. I have to replace that spring. Alright. Grab a hold of it this time. I didn't hit anybody in the eye.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look at that nice green paint underneath. I'm trying to figure out what the original color was on this. Because there's parts of the truck that have like a dark maroon color. I don't know if that's primer, if they primered these things back then, or if they just sprayed it on the bare metal. And then it's got this yellow, then it's got green,
and some
orange.
Right here.
Yeah, it's got another orange color. I don't know.
And brown color.
That brown, yeah, that's rust. There's lots of that.
got to get all this off because we're going to clean this up.
Wait, I didn't
Try to
see
get all the
a little
rust
bit
off.
more on it, see?
Yeah, that's all right. We'll sand all that off. And we'll, because we got to get this thing ready to paint. that ought to keep it from rusting. Until we're ready to go to the next step. Probably be fixing some of these holes that are rusted in it. Here and here. And then try to sort out these dents. Okay, so I got both pieces that I'm going to save. Rust free for the most part anyway. Primed, painted. So I got the back painted with that black tractor implement paint from Tractor Supply. Front is primed, so I'm going to be painting that later on, but this is just kind of, this coat's just kind of there to keep it from rusting as I move on with other parts of the Jeep. I did the same coating on the back of this after I got this down to the bare metal. So these are ready to go. I'm just going to set them off to the side. Next step is going to be more disassembly. Hopefully I can get to engine removal soon. So the hood and the grill are done for now. There's more work to be done on them later on. But next, if I can't get this, like I said, if I can't get this engine hoist, then I'm gonna find something else to work on. Maybe doors, take off the doors. I don't know. I'll find something to do until I can get that cherry picker over here and pull that motor out. I can at least do some work to maybe prep the motor to come out, disconnect some things and whatnot. But anyways, more to come on the next video. Thanks for watching.